Hey everyone, my name is Connor Smith. I am the Business Development Manager here at Exertis Almo, working with DJI products. I'm starting this little podcast video series here called the Drone Dispatch, where I'm going to be going over different DJI need-to-know fun facts, trainings across all the product lines, offering it over to you guys. I'm joined here today with Matt.
Thanks, Connor. Matt Callari here, the Director of Sales for the Emerging Tech team, offering a little bit of insights about DJI Enterprise and all of the things that we offer our dealers by working with us. For those that don't know or are not familiar with Exertis Almo, we are a trade-only distributor and have really cemented ourselves as the go-to commercial trade-only drone distributor in the industry. So some of the things that make us special and some of the value add that we provide is by giving our customers lines of credit, being able to drop ship for them. We have on-site engineers and staff that's able to help them, such as Connor, with any kind of technical questions that they may have. So one of the big things that we want to be able to do for our customers is provide them the full solution. So not just the drone itself, but the display behind it, the connectivity in between, the software. We want to be that one-stop shop for all of our resellers so that they can give their customers as much value as possible.
And then Matt, what kind of internal resources do we offer dealers?
Great question. So we have both a public and a dealer website. So our public website is going to be drones.exertisalmo.com. That'll have our full plethora of drone products as well as accessories and software that are available to our customers. That way, if you want to run through a product offering to your end user, you're able to go to this website and utilize it almost as your own. Additionally, we have access.almo.com, which acts as our dealer portal. From there, you can find your invoices, tracking, pricing, and real-time inventory levels. So if you're on the phone with the customer and you don't have, let's say, an M350 in stock, you can quickly look, be able to see if it is in stock, and let them know that they can get it within the week or within a day or two if they want to pay for expedited shipping.
Thanks, Matt. And then just a few other fun things to quickly note here. Some useful DJI links. So there's a lot of resources DJI does offer dealers in addition to us. One of them being the dealer Google Drive. That'll have all of your products, all of your product trainings, promotional materials, promotional assets. And we can get that to you if you don't have it already. They also have just the normal DJI Enterprise website. You can get maintenance information from there. You can get product information. They also have after sales and dealer support as well. Happy to connect you with them as needed.
So Connor, what DJI products does a dealer gain access to by working with Exertis Almo?
That's a great question, Matt. So here at Exertis Almo, when you gain access to DJI and you're properly authorized, you gain access to essentially the whole umbrella of DJI products. So that includes enterprise, consumer, flight cart, ag, and then with a few extra addendum signing, you can get access to the Dock 1 and Dock 2. So whenever there are special niche products that fall under those umbrellas, typically there is maybe one or two more steps you need to go through simply because there's additional training. So what is DJI's UPP policy? Can you explain that?
Yeah, definitely. So UPP stands for Universal Pricing Policy. The way I usually describe it to people is it's almost like when you go to buy an iPhone, whether you go to Target, Walmart, the Apple Store, the price is going to be the same no matter what. And DJI wants to maintain that same kind of structure. So the thought process behind it is whether you go to one dealer or another, the pricing is going to be the same. The end user is going to make their decision based on who offers the best training, who offers the most support, and all those little extra things that go into being a DJI reseller.
And then are there any exceptions? Are there any workarounds, or is it pretty just UPP is UPP?
The only exception to the UPP would be doing a deal registration. So if a dealer wants to do this, they simply need to fill out the deal registration form and submit it to registrations@exertisalmo.com. This will give them the allowance of a 5% discount that they can extend to their customer, and therefore give them a little extra something for their business and essentially win them the bid or the RFQ.
Well, that's it for today. Thank you everyone for joining us here at the Drone Dispatch. Thank you, Matthew Callari, for being here. We're going to have a few more of these coming out, so be sure to subscribe and follow, and we'll see you soon.